Start.
Good evening, everyone. This is Sami here from Agronomy Solutions. Welcome to one more blog of Agronomy Solutions. This blog is all about Arecanut Nursery, where we are doing it from last couple of years, from last 2019. So, nursery is all about a process involved in it, from selecting the seed material to transplanting into basket, then from basket to making it a plant, then from there supplying it to the farms. So Agronomy Solutions has always believed in the next generation of Arecanut from seed to tree is is believed that the foundation of our future should be strong. The quality can see in every seedlings what we provide. Plant the future with us is the concept what we have created in the minds by giving the quality material to the farms. We started this firm in the year 2019 and we only gave importance to Tirthali tall variety as a Keldi castor. As you people know that Tirthali tall variety has been placed number one in the country for the disease resistant and from the government of India. Now coming back to this process, this is a very long process where we only give importance to the quality material. Raghu, idondu quality in the sense, see, these are the seedlings. See, these are the seedlings. You can see in the seedlings the roots, the establishment of roots, and the establishment of the leaf. So these are the two processes what we have to keep in mind before this is transplanted into the basket. So so one thing what I have showed you is this: we in the bed we select the the best canopy plants and best root establishment small plants and then transplant into the basket. So coming back to the basket, we have a basket of 3 kgs, 3.2 kgs, where why we have opted for 3.2 kgs, though it's a difficult job for us because the establishment of roots are very important, and we give more importance in Arecanut. The success ratio of 2 years plant is much more than compared to a 1 year plant. So here, coming back to, now I'll show you my 2 years plant and I'll show you the establishment of roots, the stem, the quality, the chlorophyll. So a lot of factors are involved here. So we just believe in the quality material. So now we have come to the second step where I'm showing you the stem, the basket and the roots. Basket is almost 3 kgs. You can just see the stem, the quality of stem. Isko zoom karo. The quality of stem and the root establishment. So most of the people are happy with this, and you can see the height. This is a 2 year plant. The height is almost 3 feet. It's coming to my neck. You can just see here. It's coming to my neck. So the uniformity of the plants are superb and equally matched. Each and every seedling has a super champion material. So this is Cashnur variety. As I have told you, we deal with only two varieties. One is Cashnur, one is Tirthali tall variety. So this full bunch of plants are Tirthali tall variety. We have a Cashnur plants also here. I'll just show you the Cashnur varieties. What we have here. This is a Cashnur variety. Even the ಗಿಡ also. You can just check the stem here. This quality is maintained with us from last 6 years. We only believe in quality material. You can just see the chlorophyll of the material. You can see the root system, and we have been supplying to lot of plants to Tamil Nadu, Kerala, here in Cook, Chikmagalur, Hassan district, and all that. So everywhere we have got the best response. We have maintained the quality in it. So this is the future for the next generation, where they have to keep lot of factors before picking up the plants from the nurseries. So we have an advantage because people can come to our estate, see our Areca garden, and they can pick it up. Because there are a lot of diseases which is hurting, that is leaf spot diseases, there is yellow leaf diseases, and there is a crown disease. So a lot of things are there. So most of the people who come here, they see our garden, Areca garden here, and they pick up the plants. So these are the parameters what I've showed you, the quality of the material and all that. We'll go to one more block there. A small bunch of plants have been kept, like 5,000 plants. You can have a look at that also.
Start.
So these are the samplings of, again, Cashew variety. Cashew variety is nothing but, I just wanted to give you a brief about the Cashew variety. Cashew variety is a naughty variety. It's similar to your Tirthali tall variety, but it's it's more how I can portray is high bearing variety. You can say high bearing variety, where you get extra flower of another 5 to 8 kgs. But if you compare with Cashnur and Tirthali, government of India has given Tirthali as a #1 variety. So these are the few things what I just wanted to show you. Here also you can see the quality of it. Quality, height, you can see it's almost 3.5 feet now. You can see the stem, you can see the root system, everything you can see here. And this is almost, we are doing it from 2019, as I've told you. So the concept of this year is plant the future with us, with the team Agronomy Solutions. So we have given the best plants. We have kept a lot of processes in our mind, a lot of factors in our mind before delivering the plants to the farms. So as we select the seeds from our own farm, these are the results what you're getting it. So I always tell my clients and my customers is like, go for 2 years plants, because Arecanet gives, success ratio of Arecanet planting is of 2 years. Thank you one and all. Keep supporting us. Plan the future with Agronomy Solutions. People who have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Keep motivating me for more informations, what's happening in our estate and other estates I'll put. And plan the future with us. Please comment on my inbox about the quality of the plants, about where we have to improve, how to move on. Thank you. Let's meet on the next blog. Thank you, one and all.